In the far future, robots have replaced humans and travel from planet to planet, absorbing the color around them in order to stay alive. These robots scour different systems and planets, going all sorts of interesting places with only one goal in mind: absorb. This is colorless. As most projects start, it started with a design. I knew that I wanted to design robots, but I didn't know where to start. You see, robots can come in many shapes and sizes, but I thought it would be best for me to represent a human like design to show some sort of evolution from humans to the robots. After designing my robots, I immediately got started 3D modeling in Blender. I had modeled before a little in the past, but my experience really only consisted of modeling plants or buildings. So progress at the start was really slow. Trying to get the right proportions and make everything not only fit in my design but work and function in a 3D environment proved to be challenging. But once I had gotten more used to the program and more confident with my sculpting, progress took off. It was easy for me to finish up my robot and arrive at a rough design. But the biggest step in my progress was when Nickelodeon donated another 3D printer to us. The ones I had been using were plastic printers, but this one was resin, which proved to be a lot easier to learn. So I set up the new printer and began touching up and remodeling my robot so that his finished design was more detailed, and it was only then that I could print him. 3D printing my 3D models was a big learning curve, because the model I had made was finished, yes, but when printed there were multiple structure failures and he was lacking supports. It took me 3 tries of redesigning and reprinting to finally get it right. After that, I moved on to my environment space. I decided to design it more like an alien-like planet with strange rocks and large rings. I really enjoy studying what extraterrestrial planets might look like. This is colorless. Thank you.